Hi, 24,399 views of one of my top videos on YouTube. What is this all about? Let's take a look. This is the video, a Power BI tutorial. 24,399 views. It's about getting the latest date using the list.max. So I want to talk about this video because that when I recorded the time, what I know is that you can really just from a source step, and from here you create a column, right, using the list.max. So basically you go to the add columns, choose custom column, and you just enter this here. So the change type is really just the table before the step here, and the date is extracting just the date column as a list, right, as a list, and from there you call the list.max. Now watch this. You're actually doing this list.max for every row. For every row you ask Power Query to do a list.max, which is always the same because the list.max already have one particular value. So when I studied computer science back then in 1997, I learned about variable. Well, whenever you want to refer to that one value that it doesn't change much, right, you keep it into a variable. You keep it into a variable, that's where you can make it efficient. But how do you keep it into variable? Right, now this is the code alike. So we call the list.max and assign it to a variable. Compared to the earlier step, right, we don't really call the list.max for every row. Rather, we call a date equal to max date. Now, if you want to know how exactly I do this one, you can enroll my online course on Power Query Level 3. I'll talk about it step by step. In fact, I have a 3 level for Power Query. Level 1, level 2, level 3. What you learn in this over 24,400 views video is part of what I cover in my level 2. As for level 3, we talk about more on such as how to understand what is the let function, what's the let, what's the in, and this is where we create a variable. So yep. Well, you need to do a lot of this researches. I mean, I do a lot of research on the Microsoft Power BI website. You can learn a lot from here, such as this, what does that. So spend some time. You want to explore like list.buffer or maybe table.buffer. These are all efficient tools that I will talk about it in my level 3. And if you're interested to attend online course Power Query Level 3 at any time, anywhere, then come look for me, right? Thanks for watching. God bless you. God bless Asia, and happy Easter Sunday. 24,399 views. Thank you. Praise the Lord. All glory to Him.